It is called Travel O'Clock. Travel. I am so happy. It is Travel O'Clock here.
Forget that Nigeria is not the way it's supposed to be. Home will always be home. Just the thought and the realization that things are coming together. I am finally going home to go and visit and see my family that I haven't seen in the last 7 years. The joy is out of this world. Hello everyone, thank you and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to our Japada series. This particular vlog is me going to start getting my travel documents ready. The number one on the list is to go and get my NIN registration done. I hope you're going to enjoy this vlog. I know you will enjoy this vlog actually, and please subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe. Let's get this done.
I've done Nigerian passport here previously, and each time obviously we do it. I do it in order, but this time around there's another layer that I have to cross before I go and get the Nigerian passport. So I'm going to do my NIN for the very first time. Some of you already have your NIN. Me, I don't have. So I'm going there. I was trying to apply online to do the pre-enrollment. Yeah, I think that's what it's called, the pre-enrollment online. But it was giving me problem. I got stuck. So I called this center where they do the fingerprint and everything. They told me to come. So I'm going there. Hopefully, fingers crossed that everything goes through without a hitch, without problem, so that I can proceed with doing my Nigerian passport. Now you're going to be asking if I'm going to Nigeria, I could go with my expired passport. That's true. I could go with my, no, this thing is dark. I think it's better like this. Yeah. Oopsie. Yes, I could go with my expired passport and then do it in Nigeria, do the passport in Nigeria. But you know what? I don't want hassle. I don't want to go there and then I'll be going through too much headache. And I know you can come out when you have another passport, but the immigration, they might give you headache. And look, I don't want problem. I don't, my body don't want any problem. I'm a simple person who follows the rule and just do everything the way accordingly. So I don't want to do that. It will be my plan B in case if I go and I'm having problem when my due date comes and I don't get my passport. I'll just go to Nigeria without a passport, and I'll find a way to come back. Hope I will not get stranded. No, I will not get stranded. Anyways, I'm talking so much, so I am going, and I will tell you, if I don't think if I can carry camera there, but I will tell you guys the process. I know that many of you, many of you already have it, so you probably will not care about this one. But anyways, I'm still documenting my journey. Okay, it's my travel, my own travel, and I want to document it. Anyways, I'm going. And when I'll be doing my passport too, I will carry you guys. So this particular vlog is just my travel document renewing, making new renewal, making new document, all the things that I need to successfully leave Canada to where I'm going and come back. That's what this vlog is all about. Here at this thing is so far away. This is not where I'm supposed to be, but we're here looking for ATM. Let me turn it around. We're here looking for ATM.
I was looking for an ATM because this particular enrollment place, they told me that I have two options to pay through PayPal, or if you're not making payment through PayPal, then it's cash, which is $70. So I came to the mall. This mall is very close to the place, to look for an ATM to withdraw some cash. And I know that the federal government does not charge, like if you go to the NIN office for the registration. That's what I heard, that the federal government does not charge. However, majority of people does their this NIN registration to various other places who provide the services, because everybody cannot go to the federal government office to do it. So these other places will charge you a fee for their services. So this one charges $70. There are multiple places actually here in the GTA, but this was the closest one to me. While I was in the while I was in the mall, how can a girl come to a mall and not shop? I just stopped here at the body shop to look at things. Thank God I ended up not buying anything because that was not the plan. But once I finished from here, I went straight to the NIN place, the NIN registration place, enrollment place. I don't even know exactly what it's called, but that's where we were heading to. And I will show you guys. I was underwhelmed when I got to the place, the way the place looked, but watch on so that you can see.
Getting lost is time not wasted, as long as it's with you. Unknown roads and foreign places that we're traveling through. We could drive round in circles, any place will do. Endless days and fields of purple.
In 300 meters, your destination will be on the left.
All right, it's an industrial area. This is Brampton, Ontario. We had to stop at the mall to get cash because they said if I'm coming without appointment, I have to bring cash. Eastern Avenue 69, right? This is 68. It's probably this one, no?
Your destination is on the left.
Left. This one? Sister. Okay, this one. This one, yeah. So as you can see, this is an industrial place. So the couple, it's a couple actually. They has a car, something like a place where they sell car or where they work on cars. I was not expecting this particular type of services, government services, to be in such a place, but that's where it was. I think because they have the place, they just decided to attach this NIN registration in just a small room where I captured a little bit of video, but not quite a lot. But I was underwhelmed. I thought it was going to be somewhere better than this. This is what it looks like. It's not that the place is bad, but it's not where I would imagine to come and do like government stuff, but this is where it is. Even when I went to Nigeria, actually, people do this thing on the roadside. I'm like, you have your information, personal information, because when you're coming, you have to come with your passport because they need to take the passport number and a bit of personal information to in order to register you. But people just they handle these things so carelessly, and it bothers me. Why would you be handling such sensitive information, people's personal information, say so carelessly? Even when I was inside there, the customer service was not so good, but we were just lost. We were looking for the place. The number I came here, I thought it was here, but it wasn't here. I didn't know that this building was actually big. So their own side looked like it was a different number, but it ended up being the same number. Like you have 1A and 1B. Is this first floor? What the heck? Okay, let me check the place again. Seriously, I can't find. It says it's on the first floor. All this Swift Trans Auto. Is it not the one? Let me check. That's it over there. NIN Registration Center. Okay. Okay. We were over there because
That one says 69. Okay, okay. Okay, unit 1 here. Is it here? Here. Okay. So this is it, Knowledge Square. Hello. Hi.
Welcome.
Okay. Hi.
You know, because they flew them too hard. Everybody gone. Right there. Let me clear up 2 weeks ago.
Passport is here. My passport just arrives. Hey, right here. I don't want to turn it the other way. Let me open it. Let me open my passport. This one you have to sign for. The Canada Post just came and knocked on the door. Pom, 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 pom. I think you have to sign something. Our passport is finally here. I'm so happy. This is my first Canadian passport. After how many years? I never even bothered to apply. But finally it's here. We can get ready. Get ready to leave. Get ready to leave. I've been having problem doing the Nigerian passport. Oh my goodness. After I went for my, this thing is shaking. After I went for the NIN, the NIN didn't take long. It took about, I think, 3 to 5 business days. They emailed me the slip, and then I started applying for my passport. Initially, I don't know, maybe it didn't sync immediately. When I was entering my passport number, it was telling me that it was incorrect. So I left it. 2 days I came back and it was okay. So I was thinking maybe they haven't synced it yet in the system, but it was okay. Now, as I was applying for the passport itself so that I can go to Ottawa, I was having problem with the passport photograph. You know, you have to take a passport photograph. This is the first time that I have to, I think it is my first time. Yeah, the other times that I have gone to get a new passport in Ottawa, I never have to like upload my passport photograph. You do take the passport picture itself when you're going, and then they take another passport like photograph of you while you're there. But this time they said you have to upload it online. I went 2 times to do, I did the first one, the same place I took the passport for my Canadian passport, the same place I took the passport pictures for my Canadian passport. I went there, I took for my Nigerian passport, it rejected it. The system rejected it. I went back, they took another one, it still rejected it. So now I'm in a limbo. I'll go to a different place and take another one. If it rejects it, I'll just leave it when I go to Nigeria. I'll just go with my expired passport. When I get there, I will renew it. Hopefully, because the cost of doing Nigerian passport here is expensive. Number one, I paid $70 for the NIN. Yes, you're going to say that one is a one-time thing. It's not for every time you have to renew passport, but okay, I paid for that. I know it's not also charged by the federal government. It's those agents that process it. They have their own service fee. But anyways, but then you have to pay $150 for $150 for 5 years, or $210, I think, $200 and something for 10 years. And then you have to pay another $50. I don't know if it's 50 Canadian dollars or if it's 50 US dollars that you have to pay, payable to the Ottawa embassy, the embassy, Nigerian High Commission in Ottawa. Then you have to pay to go there. Okay, you have to transport yourself there. It is not, it's not easy, it's not cheap. And then you have to pay for somewhere to stay, because if me that is living here in Brantford,
For me to go from here to Ottawa is going to take me about 7 hours, okay? By public transport, if I'm driving, maybe 6 hours. So it's a long time to get there. It's not something that I can leave the same day, get there, get it done, and come back. So I normally will go stay in a hotel and then go in the next morning, get it done, and then come back. So it's a lot of money. Now I'm considering maybe I should just wait. When I go to Nigeria, I do it. It's just that if when I go, I'm not staying for such a long time. I don't want to go there and start hearing stories. I don't want, when I'm coming back, immigration will start giving me a problem. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do, but I'll keep you guys updated and I'll carry along. But I'm just so happy that finally my golden passport is here.
So the update on my Nigerian passport is that I was not able to get it done. I went to another place to take the passport photograph that is required in order for me to even get to filling out my payment details and selecting appointment date. The system still rejected that passport, so I went three different times to take passport photograph, but the system kept rejecting it. So I ended up not being able to book an appointment to go and do my Nigerian passport. So I went with the expired one, and it was not a problem getting into Nigeria with the expired one. They just welcome you. They just told me, oh, it's been a long time, you came to Nigeria, and that was it. So I ended up doing my Nigerian passport in Nigeria. Thank you so much if you watch up to this point. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and stay glued for all the awesome videos that are coming your way. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed.
Lost is time not wasted, as long as it